thank you, Sister Joy. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you, sir.
Yes, Sister Joy. Has anybody told you that you are the most beautiful?
Really?
Oh, someone has not told you. Maybe you are hearing it from me today.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, seriously, you're beautiful. Sister Joy, so what do I do with this visit?
Pastor, it's Choma.
Choma?
Yes.
Choma, your younger sister?
Yes.
What about her?
Pastor, Choma keeps fighting every day. She brings havoc at home.
Oh, yes. Oh, Kakasa. Yes. I saw her trying to bring some demarcation between you and your husband.
Oh, God forbid.
Yes, Kakasa Kaya. So, what are you thinking now? What are your plans?
Seriously, Pastor, I'm thinking of sending her back to the village because I can't take all this thing.
Oh, Kakasa. Yes.
I think that is the greatest decision you ever made. Before she causes that havoc, you have to make sure you send her back home so that you can have your freedom.
I will do that, sir.
That is the best decision.
Okay, sir.
It's the best decision.
What's up, baby?
Okay.
Can we go out today?
Yeah, why not? Choma will stay at home so she can pick up home.
No, I'm sorry. Chioma is coming with us.
No, she isn't coming with us.
Then we're not going.
Listen, you've not told me what you say in that girl. Huh? What is it about Choma that you love?
I know you don't understand, so let me explain to you.
I'm listening.
Good. See, while growing up, I never had a sister. So when I saw Chioma, there was this thing unique about her. So I decided and said I was going to give her all the treatment she deserved as a sister. So now you see.
Okay. So I've heard you.
Don't worry. Okay. So, are we still going out?
I don't have a problem with that. That's fine.
Okay. Thank you. So let me just get one or two things from the room.
Okay.
Let her know, okay? Good evening, my love. You're not happy?
Yes.
Why?
Brother Frank saying loved me.
Brother Frank saying love you. Which Frank? This Frank, this is my Frank that I know.
Yes.
It's a very big lie.
Huh?
Big lie. Frank, see, let me tell you something. You see men, all men, they are all cheat. Yes, they want to get into you and once they enter that place now, they will just run away.
Even you?
No, me, I'm a nice man now. Yeah, that's your auntie now. I'm a very nice, that's why I'm at the auntie. And that's why I love you, so that I can take care of you, because I'm a nice man. You understand that, babe? But let me tell you, Frank, till the next time you see Frank, run away.
Huh?
Frank can lie. In fact, he lie for a living. I'm telling you, Frank, when we were small, you know, I senior him. Well, he used to lie. We lie. My mother will beat him. Frank will keep lying.
Hey.
Don't do here. Don't put your hand in your head so that you understand what I'm saying very well. Yes, he lies for a living. It's one of his talents. It's lying. Frank, it's a very big lie. I'm telling you.
Brother Nat, I sent for you. I
Firstly, I want to know what kind of business do you do?
Oh, I'm into G business.
You are into G business?
Yeah, G business.
What do you mean by G business?
It's a Yahoo business.
You are one of the Yahoo guys.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. That is great. That is great. I can see what Lord Kakasa want to do for you. Yeah, I see you so massive in the spiritual realm.
Oh,
You're a great man. In a few months' time, you begin to swim in millions.
So that's good.
Lord Kakasa. Yes, Lord Kakasa. But then before that time, there are some little prices to pay here and there. Are you ready to pay those prices?
I'm ready to pay whatever price, sir.
I see. So can you pay your tithes?
For sure, definitely. 2 million into your answer. Whatever amount, I'm ready to give to you.
Oh, Kakasa, yes. That is wonderful.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord Kakasa. Let me pray for you. Just bow your head. Oh, Lord Kakasa! Shakaba. So you're welcome. Yes, you're welcome. So what are all these Hotmovies?
I've been looking for a husband.
You are looking for a husband?
Yes.
Wow, that is wonderful. For how long have you been looking for a husband?
10 years.
10 years!
Yes.
You wasted all these years and you know I am around. That's no problem, okay? We are going to pray, oh my Lord Kakasa. We're going to pray. I saw you in the spiritual realm. I saw men line up just for you to make a choice. In fact, to be sincere, to be precise, I saw about, 12 men. You have to make a choice of one.
Okay.
But Kakasa told me if you can do his bidding, if you can do whatever he asked you to do.
I'll do anything.
Are you sure?
Anything.
You will do anything.
Anything.
Stand up, please. Just slowly turn around, slowly. Turn again. Sit down. Kakasa said you're going to do back-to-back prayer sections just tonight.
Oh, can't we
Are
start?
you ready?
I'm ready. Can't we start now? I mean, now.
Are you sure we can start now?
Very, very sure. Now.
Come on,